Well, far be it from me to stick my size 12s into that debate. Really is a matter for the people of Scotland to decide. Personally, my own view is that I think the United Kingdom historically was a very interesting project, bringing a number of different nations together. Yes, the Great Britain has a colonial past, and of course this country itself is only too well aware of that, but I think the contribution that Scotland's made to the overall United Kingdom has been enormous. I think for some people the United Kingdom without Scotland would be unimaginable, but I can understand the attractiveness for the Scottish people of the arguments that are being put forward. And I think, in fairness, people like Ed Miliband have responded very favourably to the concerns that he is hearing in the context of this particular debate. So let's see what happens now on Thursday, but one way or the other there are going to be implications for it, and there's no doubt about it. And from a selfish point of view, looking at the position of my sister party and my colleagues in the UK, I can understand why they would want, from a purely political level, to see Scotland remain in the United Kingdom, because let's be honest about it, the traditional support that the Labour Party always received in Scotland was always very important in electing a Labour Prime Minister into number 10, and the concern I would have would be that if Scotland decided to go it alone, that the entire United Kingdom might suffer from years of a government that would not be Labour.
So you're in favour of staying together?
Well, personally, if I was over there voting, I as an Irish citizen and as an Irish politician, I cherish our independence. We're a sovereign nation. We fought hard to get to the situation where we had become a sovereign nation. But if I was a Scottish citizen, I may very well take the view that it's better the devil,